Step into the light.
Welcome to a new channel, everybody. My name is Chris. This is Jesus. Hope you guys like that Halloween bit. Now, we're all about PC builds, DIYs, and gaming, so remember to subscribe and like below. Jesus, you put this PC together. Tell us all about it.
Yeah, definitely. So before I talk about the skull and the skeleton ribcage, let's talk about what's inside this guy. So in here we have a Radeon 7 with an EK water block. We also have an i9-800K with a Thermaltake water block on an Asus Z390 Strix motherboard with 32 gigs of RAM. It's XPG, Oceanic. We want to go for that water cooling theme. Now, of course, there's a lot more components in here. All the details are going to be listed down below.
Jesus, I gave you a helping hand. I felt your pain. Tell us about the pitfalls.
Yeah, so with all custom loops, you have some simple ones, you have some complicated ones, and then you throw in aesthetics that kind of, sometimes throw in a wrench of their own in there that we have to sort of do some trial and error and resolve. These ribcage are not continuous loops, so some of them end and created an issue in terms of having coolant actually fill them up. We were going for this desired effect of when we turn on the pump, the coolant runs up and fills up the ribcage. The issue we had was that the reservoir didn't hold enough coolant in there, so we had to pour coolant as the pump was running to make sure that the reservoir is never empty. But we're happy with the result. It can definitely be improved on. There are various issues that we haven't resolved, but we're getting there. But one of the highlights also is the skull. And Chris, can you tell me a little bit about the skull and the tech involved?
We got some facial recognition going on here. After the ribs gets filled up, we wanted the skull to start tracking our face, come alive. But of course we shot at night and the camera could not pick us up. And then it got confused and did a little jump scare there, which in the end came out great.
Actually did. I really enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoyed our build. We have a custom water loop series coming up, and also we're going to be benchmarking various different cooling solutions.
We got projects lined up for the next 5 years, so stay tuned, subscribe, and happy Halloween!
Trick or treat!